Does university no longer matter for programming? It's a big question, especially when every day someone online says, "I got hired at a big company without going to university." But let's take a deeper look, because the answer isn't that simple. Part 1. The speed of technology, the enemy of the education system. The world of technology is moving so fast that even universities are running out of breath. By the time an official course is designed, that technology might already be outdated. For example, universities still teach Python, Java, and C++. But the job market is full of TypeScript, Rust, and AI tools. This means a fixed curriculum can't keep up with the speed of real-world changes. But the problem isn't just technology. The university system is designed to teach fundamentals, not real-world work. Learning algorithms, data structures, or computer architecture is definitely important. But once you join a company, no one asks you what Big O was. They ask you, can you solve this problem quickly, cleanly, and securely? Part 2. The skill university doesn't give you. University gives you theory, but not system thinking, not teamwork, not a real understanding of the project world. Software development isn't just coding. It's a living system made up of architecture, design, security, and even user behavior. These are things you only learn through real projects and hands-on experience. That's where self-directed learning comes in. Online courses, open-source projects, bootcamps, and even building personal projects. These are what the real world expects from you. Today's programming means continuous learning. You have to be able to update yourself every year, not every semester. Part 3. The future of education, combining university and self-learning. But let's get to the main question. Is university completely useless? No, not at all. University acts like a skeleton for your mind. It teaches you logic, research methods, and critical thinking. The problem is that many people stop there after graduation, while knowledge should merge with industry and technology. The future belongs to those who can combine these two worlds, learning the fundamentals from university and gaining new skills and tools outside of it. For example, someone with a solid understanding of algorithms and system architecture who then goes on to learn AI or cloud development will grow much faster than others. In the age of acceleration, adaptation means survival. In today's world, it's not about having a degree, it's about adapting fast. The winner is the one who can keep up with change, not the one who just hangs a diploma on the wall. Real programmers learn every day, test, fail, and rise again. And that's exactly what no classroom can teach you. So maybe the final answer is this. University isn't bad, but it's not enough. And in a world where artificial intelligence advances every month, the only skill that can save you is the speed of learning and the ability to adapt. Now, here's the final question for you. If tomorrow a new language emerged that changed the entire industry, would you be ready to start over from zero?